Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we will see that important commands of the Docker and important statements available in the Docker file, or like what's the purpose of the this lecture. The reason is that we will learn the materialistic things about the Docker, so that we will create and we will use these things in the next part. And in the next part I will show you that how we can deploy our ASP.NET Core application using these commands or these statement in the Docker file. Okay, so this kind of things we will discuss in the next part. Okay, or in the previous part we saw that how we can deploy our HTML static page using Docker, and there we used nginx image as well. So previous lecture was also important. Or if you're watching this video for the first time, so I just want to tell you that please start from the part one, so that you will get to know these things about the Docker. Okay, many audience told me that like the content is really very awesome. Okay, so definitely you should watch the content, and you will get the basics of the Docker, and you will get the idea of the Docker, that what's the Docker, what's the images, what's the containers. Or definitely if you are senior engineer or a mid-level engineer, so definitely you should know this containerization tool as well. Okay, and companies always expects you that you should know the Docker container at least. Okay, so that's why I bring this course, I bring this lecture for you guys. Okay, so let's start with the main content, and I just want to remind you that please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video to your friends and colleagues on network as well, and hit the like button. So let's get started with the main content. Okay, and main agenda of this session as well. Okay, so let's start. Mm, okay, so here is my Docker desktop application. Or in the image section, you can see there are three images. Okay, with the different tags, but with the also the different IDs. Okay, purpose of this lecture is that I will tell you the important command lines. Okay, so till two parts we created a lot of images, lot of containers. Okay, using command line. Okay, but we don't know how we can remove those images and containers that we have created in our local machine. Okay, so I will tell you these things. Okay, or and we will see the some more important commands of the Docker. Okay, so that we will get to know the basics of the Docker. Okay, and after this we will see the Docker file instruction as well. Okay, okay, so I have already opened the command line. Okay, so that our time won't get waste. Okay, so if I go, if I just write Docker images, so it will tell me that there are three images that in my local machine. Okay, let's discuss what commands we have discussed in the previous in the two parts. Okay, so Docker images, just like it will tell you that all images that we have in the local machine. And if you just write Docker ps hyphen a, so it will tell you that how many containers are available in your local machine. Or okay, and these kind of details you will show here. So right now it is empty, so it means that there is no any containers available in my local. Or if you just write Docker ps, so it will tell you that the active containers, active running containers. Okay, so that you will get to know which containers are uh, running on in your local machine. Okay, so that you can do anything with this container, or the you. Okay, so this kind of things we have discussed so far. Okay, so now suppose first let me create some containers. Okay, so Docker run or hyphen name or web app or run one. Or after this I will port my image on the uh, using the port mapping. So I will use 1000 or 80. Or after this which image container I will use web app container and I will use the tag 1.0.0. Just press the enter. So it will create the container, or it will start the your image as well. Okay, and if you if you just go to your Google Chrome, then you will see that localhost 9000 and just press enter, and you will see your result. Okay, on the port number 900. Okay, or and let me tell you one important thing. Okay, and if you want to just exit this thing, so if you just again go there, then you will see that 9000 port will give you error. Okay, which means that we have stopped our container. Okay, or just go to the ps hyphen a. So it will tell you the like if I want to see the status is exited. Okay, with the status code of 0. Now, uh, like uh, in this scenario, when I enter the when I enter this thing, okay. So like what it is done is that I won't able to write other queries and write other commands in the command line. So if I want to detach this thing, okay. So simply I will just do -d, just press the enter. Okay, so it okay, so my container is already existing. Okay, so no issues. I will start with the run to, or I will just use port number 9001. Okay, or just press the enter. So it means that yes, you see here that our uh, process is stop here. Okay, and we won't able to write anything. Okay, now I can write the other commands as well. Okay, or and we will see that my port number is working or not. Okay, so yes, it is working actively. Okay, if you want to see that which port like which container is running on in my system, just press the enter, and you will see that this container is actively. Okay, and it is telling you that it is in the up state. Okay, so this kind of things we do in the uh, docker. Okay, and you should always use -d when you want to detach your command line with the active status, or like active state of the. So just write docker ps, or just write docker ps hyphen a. Okay, and it will tell you that all containers that I have in my local machine. So there are two containers in my local machine. Container is in the running state. Okay, and if I want to uh, stop, and if I want to delete the container. Okay, so how can I do this? Okay, so just write docker ps hyphen a. So which container is in my running state? So this container is my running state, up state. Okay, so if I try to delete, okay, just write docker. Okay, so just write docker, or rm. Okay, so rm is intend to use to remove. Okay, or and first let's delete this exited container. Okay, so I will use 27c and just press enter, and you will see that my container is deleted. Okay, and if I check there, okay, so only one container is available. So docker rm is used to delete the container from other local machine using the command line. Okay, suppose if I am trying to delete uh, this active container. So let's see, am I able to delete this container or not? Okay, so okay, so it is telling me that can't remove container 437. Container is in the running mode, or stop the container before removing, or force remove as well. So it this makes sense that if your container is already running, so your container should be in the exited mode. That's why it is giving the error. Okay, and right now my container is in the up state. So let's see how we like how can I stop the container. So if I want to stop this container, I will use just docker stop or 3437, just enter. Okay, and we will see that my container the running container will be stopped there. Okay, and if I just write docker ps hyphen a, then I will see that its status is exited. Okay, right now I am able to delete the container. Okay, and if I just reload this page, okay, then you will see the error, which means because like I have stopped my container. But suppose if I want to start my container again, then how can I do this? Just use docker start or 437 or just enter. Okay, so my container is again started. Okay, and if you reload this page, then it is working fine. And the two more important commands, that docker start, docker stop. Okay, and you should use here container id. Okay, and the first three digits are good enough. Okay, and suppose that like we have discussed that how I can remove the container. Okay, just started is already in this scenario, it was giving me error. Okay, so because the reason is that my container is in the running mode. Okay, so first I stopped it. After this I can delete it. Okay, so let's stop this container again. Okay, so 437. So let's see is this page working or not. Okay, so it is not working. Or after this we will see uh, uh, docker rm or 437. Okay, just press enter. Okay, or you will see that like we got the empty results. Okay, so in this way we can remove the containers, we can restart the container, we can stop the container. Okay, or this kind of things we have discussed till now. Now the next we will see these things about the images as well. Okay, so suppose I want to see how many images available in my docker machine. So right now there are three images in my docker machine. Okay, and suppose if I want to delete, so I will use docker rmi. Okay, and rmi stands for remove image, obviously. Or and which image I want to delete. So I want to delete a web app container. Okay, with the like I want to delete the tag of 1.0.2. Okay, and just press enter here, and you will see it is unstaged and deleted now. Okay, or if I just enter the docker images again, so we will see that 1.0.2 is not available there. So in this way I can delete the image, or I can delete the container from my local machine. Okay, so let's delete the other available images. Okay, so that we can proceed further. Okay, so just use rmi or web app. Okay, and guys I just want to tell you that if you are watching this video, so I am just hoping that you are working on your machine as well. Okay, so like it is very important lecture. Okay, and you shouldn't skip anything while you are watching this content. Okay, so so it is unstaged or deleted now. Or if I just want to delete point one as well. Okay, so all images I have deleted. Okay, so just use docker images. Okay, and what I will see like all repositories are empty. So which it means that that through command lines I can delete the containers or images as well. Okay, till two part we we created so many images and containers as well. But in this part we like we come so far, okay, and we learned so many commands in the Docker. Okay, so like let's revise the thing. How many things, like how many commands I have learned in this lecture. Okay, so command is that uh, we deleted the containers, we stop the containers, then after that we restart the containers. Okay, or and if your container is in the running mode, so you should always stop the container first. Okay, and make sure that your container id is in the exited status. Okay, so that you will so that after that you can delete your container. Okay, or suppose if you are trying to delete your images, okay, and at the time we saw an error that like we can directly delete the image, delete the image. So the reason is the image is already involved in the container. Okay, so first make sure that your container should delete. Okay, after this you can able to delete the image as well. Okay, and you can delete it forcefully as well, but it's not a good practice and it's not a good idea. And make sure guys that while you working with these like rmi or rm statement in the Docker. So please keep this thing in your mind that you should be careful while you're working with the production environment. Okay, suppose if any content is deleted by mistakenly, so you will go in the ugly situation. Okay, so please be safe while you're working with the Docker command line as well. Okay, so it is very important instruction that I am giving to you. Okay, so now let's discuss with the very important things. Okay, so uh, right now I don't have any images. Okay, so let's create like new images as well. So create new images. Okay, so how can I create the new images from my Docker file? So pause the video here if you know the answer. So write down your query, uh, Docker query. Okay, so that I will get to know that you are actually learning good, or you are understanding the concept as well. Okay, so I will tell you Docker or and hyphen t, and I will put this name web app container, or with the tag of 1.0. What is telling me that Docker build hyphen t. Or okay, so I want to use like I want to build my entire content, so I will use dot operator as well. Okay, so please use dot operator while you're working with the build command. Okay, and I always forgot to add the dot operator in this command. Okay, so don't worry, it's not a big deal. Okay, so yes, I have created the image with the tag of point 0. Now I want to create for point 1. Okay, so let's see. Mm, it is taking bit time because it is making some dependencies, making some internal processes. Okay, so like I want to go in the deep dive these kind of things, because we are software engineers, not DevOps engineers. Okay, so okay, so now I have created 3 images. Okay, and if I just write Docker images, then you will see that these 3 images with the 3 different IDs. Okay, with the 3 different tags as well. Okay, and suppose if I want to check all these IDs, suppose I have 10 containers, 10 images as well. Okay, so I will, and suppose I want to see just only, I will just only see the image ID. I will just use Docker images hyphen q. Okay, so in this way you can see the all uh, IDs of the images. Okay, or in the same way. Okay, first in the same way we can see the all IDs of the containers, but in right now in my system there is no any containers. Okay, and if I want to create a new container this image, okay, so how can I create the container? Okay, if you know the answer and if you know the process, if you know the query, just pause the video here and give and write your query in the comment section, so that I will get to know that you are actually like you are actually learning the these concepts. Okay, so pause the video here. Okay, so I will just write the query. So docker run or hyphen name, or after this uh, what I will put the name web app, or run one, or and I will map my port. Okay, so I will just host it on the port number 9000, and port 80 is my Docker container port number. Okay, and which image I want to use, which image I want to run. Okay, so I want to use the web app container with the tag of 1.0 0.0. Okay, and just press enter here. Okay, or after this you will see that my container is started already there. Okay, or just run this URL localhost 9000 and you will see your page like this. Okay, and if I just exit here, just then you will see that it is like it is out. Okay, and many users, like many audience were asking me that how you can exit from it. Okay, just use control C. Okay, and you will go to the exited automatically. Okay, so and if I want to detach my command line to the docker this command line. Okay, so I will just use -d. Okay, so it will detach okay, so let's see this thing is already like this thing is working or not. Okay, so okay, uh, I think okay, so my content is already created with the same name. Okay, that's why it is posing the issue. No issues, just write just change the name of the container. Okay, and you will go out, or just write the port number 9001, so the things are working fine. Okay, or just if I want to see that docker ps hyphen a, uh, what is this docker ps hyphen a, or just press enter and you will see that these two containers I have created. Okay, so let's stop this container here. Okay, so docker stop, which is in the up mode. uh, just wait, created about a minute or exited up. Okay, 7b4. Okay, just press enter. Okay, so your container will stop here. Okay, so this kind of things I have again repeat to you. Okay, and if you face any issues while you writing these uh, query and while you press enter, and you if you see any error, so just do let me know in the comment section. Okay, so that I will tell you, I will reply back you with the solution as well. Okay, just write docker images. So these three images I have created. Okay, or if I want to see all the containers. Okay, so these containers I have created. Okay, in my like in my system. Okay, or I think we have done a very important things about the docker. Okay, or these are the basic commands. Okay, and you should know these basic commands as well. Okay, so now we have learned uh, like all the possible commands that the software developer should know. Okay, now let's start with the docker file. Okay, so in the previous lecture we created docker file, and here we used two statements, which is from and copy. So the from statement is used to like is used to like import your images. Okay, in programming language in the JavaScript, we import some libraries, we import some variables. Okay, we import some files. Okay, using the import statement. Okay, so here uh, there is like import is replaced with the from statement. Okay, in the Docker file. So right now I'm using nginx image. Okay, so that's why I'm using from nginx. Okay, and copy command is used to copy the content from the source location to the destination location. Okay, so in the nginx, okay, so it is my source location. Like in this folder, the all possible, like all available contents available in this folder. Okay, so it will copy the entire content available in the folder. Okay, and it will put in this destination. Okay, so I will tell you that like how can I decide that this destination. Okay, so in the previous lecture, in the previous tutorial, I told you that mm, I told you that this path, okay. So this is the default path of the nginx image. Okay, so it is by default. Okay, and you shouldn't worry about this thing. Okay, so now now moving to the next further things about the other statements for the Docker file. Okay, so, suppose if I want to give this alias name, so I will just use as, or my alias name is base. Okay, so whenever I will use this base word, base keyword, so it will consider that I am using this image. Okay, first thing is that after this, and very important other statement is that work directory, work dir. Okay, and suppose if I want to uh, put this in my work directory. Okay, right now it is my work directory. Okay, so I assign this path to my work dir. Okay, or if I just use the dot operator. Okay, so it will automatically consider this this dot operator that this is my work directory. Okay, in fact you can make it in the segment as well. Okay, suppose work dir. Okay, or the share, and it was nginx. Okay, or just use uh, slash as well. Okay, or after this we used the html folder. Okay, so like this I can create the work directories. Okay, and or the special feature of this work directory is that suppose my folder is not created, it will create that folder automatically. Okay, so here is the main feature of the work dir. Okay, and after this the next important command is that run command. Okay, or suppose I want to run like I in the mix up things. Okay, so don't take any tension. Okay, so suppose my run command is that .NET, like if you are .NET developer. Okay, and if you're watching this video right now, so just tell me that how can I uh, build an application using the command line. Okay, what is the query name. Okay, what is the command name. Okay, just write me in the comment section. Okay, so just use uh, .NET build. Then suppose my application is name is XYZ, then I will use pro cs proj. Okay, so this command I will use to create the build. Okay, and suppose I want to publish my application, so I will use .NET publish. Okay, then XYZ cs proj. Okay, or these kind of things we will discuss in the next part. Okay, so don't take any tension. Here my purpose is to tell you that all possible statements, all basic statements available in the Docker file. Okay, or I think told you the very important the instructions of the Docker file that we will use in the next part. Okay, so I just hope you enjoyed this session and you love the content. Okay, or if you love this lecture, so just do let me know in the comment section with the done comment. Okay, so that I will get to know that you love this lecture very much. In this lecture we learn the so many command lines. Okay, after this we have seen so many like few of other uh, statements. Okay, and these statement we will use in the further parts. Okay, or there are also available other statements in of the docker file. Okay, but we like I want to keep it for the further lectures. So my purpose is to tell you first we will learn the basics of the ASP.NET Core deployment. Okay, then after this we will go in the deep. Okay, so don't worry guys. Okay, and thank you for watching this video. Okay, and I just want to remind you that please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video to your friends, your colleagues, your network as well, and hit the like button. Okay, or thank you guys for watching this video till here. Or I just want to tell you that my SQL playlist is already going there. Okay, so if you are facing any issues in the SQL, so just uh, I would suggest you to watch this playlist, and definitely you will uh, you will definitely get a strong command in SQL. Okay, so so bye guys, till then take care. Okay, have a good day.